So my friend bought some Pandora jewelry from China. Really good discount on the internet. The one seller was called Couch Shop and the other one was justt-buy. And these packages came on the same day from the same address actually, even though the shop was different. And they are from your typical Chinese e-packets from China Post. Let's see, we have here a genuine looking Pandora's box, and here as well. The other one has two bracelets and the other one has charms you can use on the bracelets. The bracelets were supposed to look the same or be the same, but they look different. Actually much different. The chain is different size and design, as you can see. And then we have the charms or beads, whatever they are. The bracelets are really cheap looking, especially this one. You can weigh them in your hands and they don't feel quite genuine. These little rings should lock here in order to be kind of safety clips or something, so that if this opens by accident, the charms wouldn't fall out. But as you can see, they don't attach anywhere, they just loose. I happen to have a genuine Pandora bracelet or chain here, which looks really much the same design as this fake one that came from China. I already believe it's a fake one. So let's remove the charms and see. They are almost the same length, but the fake one is a bit shorter. The clasp inside is a little bit dark. It's oxidized, whereas the fake one is, I don't know if you can see this, but it's bright inside. You cannot actually hear the click sound when I close this one. It's really cheap design and it doesn't seem to work well. It closes, but it doesn't feel very safe. Whereas you lock this one, you can hear the click clearly. Okay, I have kitchen scales here, which is not very precise, but we can try weigh these. This genuine one, it says 14 grams. Change it to a fake one of the same size, it's 5 grams lighter, only 9. And for the hell of it, we can remove the charms from this one and check the third bracelet. 6 grams. On your left hand side there's a genuine clip, and here is the one that came from China. They look the same. You can open this in order to use it in your bracelet so that the charms will stop here. So that is the purpose of this. Look at the size of the holes. This is much smaller, and when I try to open it, this is the best part, it actually doesn't open at all. So for a fake one, this is even a bad fake. So when you just weigh them in your hands, you can see, you can feel this is much heavier than this. We can also try to check this with the not so precise scales. Let's see. The real one, it says that it's 3 grams, and the fake one, which is supposed to be the same, it says 2. We also have these safety clips, and if we check the quality of this one, you can see it goes there, but it actually doesn't stay there. Now, yeah, it came loose. So what my friend has bought here is a pile of cheap counterfeits. Some of them look actually reasonably nice, and of course you can fit them in your real Pandora bracelet, but why buy this cheap counterfeit stuff where you can buy the real stuff from the real goldsmith? So thanks for watching.